I hear something really loud. Oh, okay. There's two Lennoxes. It's from... Oh, it's a 42,000 BTU. I think this is 2004. Oh, it was a bit noisy because it had... Yeah, it's echoing in these thin walls. Oh wait, here's two. These are also Lennoxes. Oh, this one is super quiet. And this is an older one right here. I can't even see the compressor. Oh, it has a scroll. This is super quiet, this one. This is... What the heck? 2012, 36,000 BTU. This is a 3-ton. And oh, this one's running. 2002, I think. 2013. Also 30,000 BTU, also 3-ton. Then there's those two Lennoxes back. I think that's all the units over here. And those ones are just loud because they're echoing off the walls. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here before I get busted. Yeah.